Hello, Evermenders. I have to say that I'm lazy and I'm going to show a lazy modification but easy modification that you could use on your clothes. Hello, Evermenders. Welcome to a new video. And today I'm going to show you my latest modification that I did on a lab coat because I work in a lab. And I wanted to put elastic on my wrists, so I use this modification to tight the space between the exterior from my clothes, and I think it went pretty well. It's work. It is a lazy way to do it and an easy way, and I'm going to show you this modification. You can also do it on your jeans if you want, on other types of clothing that has that I don't know how to say in English, but it's a bainha. You'll see what I'm going to show you, and you can do it as well. And I have also a project mending that I did on a shirt. That is the same method and it's the easy way, but back then I did by sewing machine, but here I do it all by hand. So let's find out how you can do this.
So you're gonna need elastic, you're gonna need also thread, a lighter, and scissors. First, you're going to measure the size of the elastic or the size your sleeve will have. So when you cut the elastic, please burn the tip of your elastic to make sure that we won't fray up. Now I know the name in English, so we call these ends, and we are going to start to cut. Oh, I forgot to tell you that you need a safety pin. So we need this pin so we can pass inside the hem with our elastic. And now we can sew the tips together. And then it will be like this. This is the easiest, fastest way to do this. Of course, you can do it by sewing machine, take all of the thread and redo this part, but I didn't have time. And this is the final result.
So Evermender, I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give your like, so this video will achieve more people, and see you on the next video.